If you look at quantum mechanics, for example, the only way you are able to make predictions from it is because you have a huge statistical database that has been assembled over the past few decades. And any prediction you're making is based purely on statistical probability, okay? So what this means is if you look at effects statistically, they are of higher probability than their causes, okay? With me so far?
Kind of.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, because, again, you cannot predict from any current state of physical relationships what the previous state was actually in existence. In other words, there may be several possibilities that led to this current state of affairs. Follow me? So, in other words, the effect has more probability than the cause. Kozyrev at one point made certain experiments with gyroscopes and very, very finely, delicately adjusted tension balance scales, all right? And he discovered that when he would initiate a certain action in the experiment, there was a kind of a pre-action, as he called it. There was a very subtle shift in his measuring instruments before his physical action had even begun, okay? And over again he confirmed this, and he confirmed something else. He confirmed that the data results of these experiments themselves would vary not only with the time of the year he performed them, but at the place on the earth that he did, okay? So in other words, time itself, which is expressed in physics as the relationship of celestial bodies, sounding an awful lot like astrology now, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, well, that's exactly what he's doing. He's saying that there's a real physics basis for something that is very, very old. So again, we're kind of peering into a possible physics basis that lay behind the ancient craft of astrology. Okay, and you know my whole take from the Giza series and the Cosmic War series, that I think many of these ancient pseudosciences were simply declined legacies of a science that once actually did exist.
Agreed.
Okay?
Yes.
All right? But now how does templates figure into this? Well, very simply. If all of this is based on celestial alignments, and if the Russians are compiling a database, and if they've discovered that they can achieve results kind of ahead of time, in other words, tap into that pre-action that some of Kozyrev's experiments discovered, okay, if they could tap into that and engineer it, okay, then they literally had the beginnings of a rudimentary technology of a physical engineering of reality itself.